As the question says, a square plate of mass 120 grams and edge 5 centimeters rotates about one of the edges if it has a uniform angular acceleration of 0.2 radian per second square. What torque acts on the plate? Now friends, we need to find the torque, and we know that torque is equals to moment of inertia into alpha, where alpha is the angular acceleration. Now they have given us the acceleration, so if we somehow manage to calculate the moment of inertia of this plate, then we will be able to calculate the torque. And as per this question, if this is the plate, then this is being rotated about this axis, the side being each A, right? So let us take the element to be a strip parallel to the axis of the distance, that is at a distance of x, and of the width dx, right? Now here we will be having the mass of the strip dm equal to the density, that is mass upon a square, mass upon area, into area of the strip, which will be a into dx, right? Now we know that the moment of inertia is mr square, where m is the mass of this element, which is m by a into dx, into r square, that is x square, and it is to be integrated from 0 to a, right? Because this element can be from this to this distance. Now this gives out m by a x cube by 3 from 0 to a, giving us ma square by 3. So the torque comes out to be ma square by 3 into alpha, which is 0.2. Putting the value of m to be 120 grams, a to be 5 centimeter, we get the torque to be 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton meter.